Hello everyone! Today we are excited to dive into another customer success story where our partner Syntax helped Siemens Gamesa implement SAP to overcome key challenges. Joining me today is Jakob from Syntax, who will share the details of this collaboration. So my first question is, can you tell us a little bit more about your collaboration with Siemens Gamesa and the business challenge you addressed together?
Sure. Siemens Gamesa is a manufacturer of large wind turbines. Siemens Gamesa had a critical business need to find a new MES solution for their MES landscape as their legacy systems were approaching end of support. The situation was further intensified by a very short timeline, making it essential to identify and implement a robust, future-proof solution quickly to ensure the continuity and efficiency of their manufacturing operations.
Wow, that's great. Okay, thank you so much for sharing that with me. Now let's talk about the solution. So Jakob, could you share with us what SAP solution did Siemens Gamesa choose and why?
Siemens Gamesa selected SAP Digital Manufacturing as their preferred solution due to its seamless integration with SAP ERP, enabling efficient data exchange and process synchronization. The solution also offers robust traceability in production, ensuring transparency and control across their manufacturing operations. Additionally, its cloud-native design allows for rapid implementation, making it the ideal choice to meet their timeline and ensure a fast rollout across their 16 plants.
That is great to hear. Finally, let's take a look at the results. So what are some of the benefits Siemens Gamesa had achieved after implementing the SAP solution with your help?
With Syntax expertise and guidance, Siemens Gamesa has successfully adhered to the SAP standard and to a strong template approach throughout the ongoing implementation of SAP Digital Manufacturing. As a result, the project is progressing with remarkable efficiency, enabling a rapid rollout across all 16 plants while maintaining alignment with their business goals.
Thank you so much for sharing your insights, Jakob. It is clear that Syntax has a significant impact on Siemens Gamesa's business. To find out more about how Syntax can help your business, do check out their website. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.